So Kajabi or ClickFunnels, which one of these platforms should you be choosing to start, run, or grow your online business? In this video, I'm going to be walking you through the pros and cons of each platform and what you should be looking out for when selecting one of these platforms. So hey, how you doing? Tim here, and full disclosure, I do use Kajabi to run my online business, and I can show you inside my Kajabi account of a little bit more detail of how to run that, but I have used both ClickFunnels and Kajabi at the start of my online journey. I'm going to walk and talk you through both of them. And as I am a Kajabi user, I'm also a Kajabi partner, and I can actually get you an extended free trial of this platform. I can get you up to 30 days free trial as opposed to the 14 days that they offer to the public. All you need to do is head over to timpeakman.com/Kajabi to get access and sign up today. And as a thank you for signing up using my link, I'm going to grant you immediate access to a free course called Kajabi Unboxed. This is everything I would do if I was to start all over again to actually set up my Kajabi account in the right way to scale. And if you do actually go through that 30-day period and become a paying member of Kajabi like me, I can actually give you another course that is actually the sales page templates. These are the exact templates that I use in my online business. You can simply download them from the product and upload them into your Kajabi account. And full disclosure, this is an affiliate link. So if you do become a subscriber of Kajabi, part of your payment comes back to me in support of this channel at no extra cost to you. So I'm just going to jump on over into my desktop now and just show you the pros and cons of each platform. So you can either Google ClickFunnels or just navigate to clickfunnels.com. And this is very Russell Brunson. This is a long form sales letter here. This is the entire platform here, and you can actually see what's included. So everything from sales funnels, CRM, email marketing, websites, landing pages, blogs, online courses, membership sites, and they're adding some new functions. This is actually ClickFunnels 2.0 or 2.0. This has actually recently been re-released and rebranded. And you've got to understand that ClickFunnels has actually come from a marketing background. So Kajabi and ClickFunnels are similar in terms of what they offer, but Kajabi has actually come from a courseware background. So it's up to you which side you actually have bias towards. If you're going to be using this platform for more funnel building, for sending direct traffic, to getting paid traffic into funnels and looking at the detailed analytics and maybe A/B split testing, maybe ClickFunnels is right for you. If you're more interested in the courseware platform, so hosting your courses, hosting memberships, and having everything under one roof, maybe Kajabi is right for you. But have a look yourself down the ClickFunnels sales page, and then you can actually click over into pricing. So currently they've actually rebranded ClickFunnels 2.0 and have actually got a few pricing tiers here. So this is using an annual discount. So if you pay upfront for the annual plan, it works out $127 a month. And then a pro plan is $157 and a funnel hacker plan is $208. Now you can see what you get here. So it's one website, 20 funnels, or one website, 100 funnels. And it's great that they try and give you everything you need to run your online business. If you have a look over into the Kajabi site, again, very, very similar. It has a long form sales page, and then you can actually click into the top here exactly what you're going to get. So you can create online courses, coaching, podcasts, memberships, communities. Communities is actually just a brand new feature that they've re-released. You can manage payments, contacts, analytics. It is a CRM. And then you can grow your websites, pages, emails, funnels, and it also has a mobile app. So very, very similar in terms of offering what Kajabi does and what ClickFunnels offers. And then you click over into the pricing. Now, over the last few months, I can tell that there has been some sort of collaboration or some sort of look at the competition because the pricing is now very similar. ClickFunnels used to be a lot cheaper for the entry level, but ClickFunnels 2.0 has actually come out and it's actually quite competitive with the Kajabi pricing. So if I'm looking on the annual, again, you're saving 20% off the annual. The basic Kajabi is $119 a month, and the basic ClickFunnels is $127 a month. Looking to the medium or the growth, compared 159 compared to 157. So very, very similar in terms of the growth and the pro. And then Kajabi actually have a 319 as a pro, and then the funnel hacker is a 208. So you can actually see, you can have a look into what you'll be getting. So you'll be getting more websites, more features, more funnels, more products within each tier. But it's much of a muchness these days that the actual pricing structure, it may seem a bit steep, but actually you're getting quite a lot within all these different prices. So it is much of a muchness. Have a look and scrutinize exactly what they're going to get. But what I like to do is I like to click over to Trustpilot. And all you can do is in Trustpilot is just put in ClickFunnels and actually have a look at the reviews. So these are honest reviews from honest people, so you would see, and go over to Trustpilot and have a look at Kajabi. So Kajabi is on a 4.6, which is an excellent rating, and ClickFunnels is on a 4.6 as well. So again, it's very, very similar into what users are finding, the experience of each platform. You can have a look down. ClickFunnels does have a few more 1 stars, so if you're worried about that, I would encourage you to read those 1 stars, and Kajabi has less 1 stars. So it's up to you how you interpret that. But what I can do now is I can take you over into my Kajabi account and show you exactly how I use this platform to grow my own online business. So here I am inside my Kajabi dashboard, and all I've done is navigated to your website, and then I'm having a look at the design. So this is where I'd encourage you to start if you took up a 30-day free trial. You can browse the templates. These are the templates and themes that you could potentially use to build out your website, your online platform. And straight off the bat, there's loads of free themes, and there's some great, really aesthetically pleasing templates that you can just use and just edit and make your own. All I've done is I've actually used an Encore theme. It's really, really simple. I don't do too much custom coding in terms of it's mainly just drag and drop. So very, very similar to the ClickFunnels user experience. So anytime they update the theme, I just need to click one button and all of my system pages updates. So I'm going to take you into how to customize a page and just show you some of the functionality. This is my current homepage. So it's very, very simple. I'm positioning who I am and what I offer. You can click on the little drop down here. And this is why I like Kajabi, is everything is under one roof. You don't need any more softwares attached to it. You can have bolt-on softwares, but you don't need them. So anything here, so your library, your members directory, announcements, your blogs are hosted in here. So I host my blogs in here. Your page, your store. So if I was to click on my about page, you can then actually see this is a little bit about me, my journey, where it all started. And all you need to do is you can click on a block on the left-hand side, or you can click on my journey, and then you can just edit the text in here. If you do any sort of custom coding, you can just do some HTML in the source code. And it really is just a drag and drop. So if I wanted this image to appear on the left-hand side, you can just click the image and drag it, and it will appear on the other side. It's just super, super simple. I'll move that back. Into the image itself, you can actually make the image a lot wider, so you can make it up to 8, which doesn't really fit on the same side as the text, so you can make them both 6 and it's 12 across. And yeah, all you need to do is click on the different blocks or add in different sections. If you wanted to add a section here, you'll see exactly what it looks like down below. So if you were to add another text section, it would then show you what the text section would look like. If you wanted to add another call to action, it would show you how the call to action would look like, and then you could go in, you can edit that block, edit the background, the text, the buttons itself. If you wanted to embed another form, you can then create a form within the account and then just link it up here. And again, it is all just drag and drop. So a few more functions here. You could put a video in here. You can either embed a video or upload a video. You can create offers on your homepage or your about page. Just all you need to do is have a look down here. And if you are really into your custom code, you can just add a section in here. It'll be a blank section. And then you can just go at it how you like. So I'm just going to come back out of that. So these are the pages. So these are the system pages or your website pages. I like to keep them all under one roof. So if you're editing any of the design, it will populate across the rest. And then we have landing pages and then funnels. So landing pages are anything else in addition to your system pages that you're building out, and any funnels that will be linking up all a system of landing pages to events and automations and emails. So that's basically a quick whistle-stop tour inside my Kajabi. And anytime you want to actually see the preview, you just click preview website and it will just pop out and it will just show you exactly how to preview your own website. So that's pretty much a quick tour of my Kajabi and ClickFunnels. Just be aware that ClickFunnels have come from the marketing background, the funnel background. So if you want it for that function mostly, that might be a good option for you. But Kajabi for me, they've got fantastic customer support. I can't say a bad word about them. This is why I've been with them for 5 years. I did actually originally start using ClickFunnels 5 years ago, but I've stuck with Kajabi because of the quality, the product, everything under one roof. And it's just a great customer experience. And this is why I'm still a Kajabi partner all these years later. A reminder of that link, head on over to timpeakman.com/Kajabi to actually get that extended 30 days free trial as opposed to the 14 currently available. And I challenge you to try and get some revenues in that 30 days. And if you do sign up using my link, again, I grant you access to Kajabi Unboxed, where I show you how to set up your Kajabi account. And if you stick around to be a paying customer, I also grant you my templates, which you can literally upload into your Kajabi account, and away you go. So hopefully that helps and you've got a little bit more of an idea of which platform is right for you. Both are great, but you might actually favor one over the other. And I look forward to seeing you again on another video soon.